Hi, it's Sunday, we're working on the railroad, and we decided to do something that we've been waiting to do since we started this, which is hopefully run trains today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk just a little bit about the control system that we're using, in particular on the HO and the N scale sections of the track. You can see I have a piece of N scale. This is the N scale terminal rerailer, which is this is where I plug the power into the track, and this is the HO terminal rerailer where you plug the power into the track. This piece here is the Easy Command unit. This is our digital command control box. In other words, this is the box that sends signals out to the trains, tells them what to do. I have a power wall wart, which supplies the power into this, which goes to the track, and I have a connector wire. Now, the issue we're going to have, or what I'm going to have to show you here, is when you have a power connector to the track, it's basically one connector. Well, we have two pieces of track. What are we going to do? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this connector piece and I'm going to slice it or split it right here and splice another connector onto it so that I have two connectors, one for each track, and this Easy Command unit will control both loops of track at the same time. So I'm going to splice this and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, and then we'll go over to the railroad, drill some holes, drop some wires, and hopefully run trains. Alright, so I've soldered my wire. What I've done is I've spliced two connectors here and here. You can see it's like a big Y. I've got both of them coming in, soldered together to the plug. The plug goes into my Easy Command right on the back where it says 2-track, and then the power wall wart plugs right into here. And then when I plug these two pieces into my rerailers, like this, and like this, and I've got power going into both tracks at the same time. And that's what we're basically doing on the layout. So I'm going to take this over, I'm going to wire them in, plug these tracks back in, and we should have power and trains running. There it is. We've got everything wired up and running, believe it or not. We've got our N scale up top running, the HO scale layout running, and we've got O scale running. We wired in the digital command control to these two loops, and we have a standard transformer running the Lionel. So I'm going to take a few shots of things running, make a little quick video here and take a look at it. Come on down and visit the layout. Still have some small things to do on here. It's getting really close to being done. So that's it for working on the railroad this Sunday. Come back next Sunday and we'll do some finishing work and hopefully be just about done working on the railroad. So we'll see you next Sunday at AAA Hobbies in Magnolia, New Jersey.